Hey guys, so welcome to Market Puzzle. Okay, so today's trades is that in two trades my stop loss got hit. Okay, so guys, here one important thing I need to tell you guys. See, whenever we take a trade, we need to always follow risk to reward ratio. See, when we don't follow risk to reward ratio, what will happen is that, let me tell you, any setup, you take any setup based on price action, based on patterns, based on candlestick patterns, based on indicators. You take any setup, every setup is gonna be 70 to 80% right. That is all. Any setup is not 100% right, and if it is 100% right, everyone would have been used that setup, no matter what, no matter how hard it is to learn, no matter if they're confident with that setup, there was 100% surely learning that setup. Everyone was following that. But every setup has its own accuracy. Okay, here if you don't follow risk to reward, let's say suppose you take 10 trades. Okay, in profitable trades, let's say if your setup accuracy is 50%, in the first 5 trades market is giving you good opportunity to take like 100 points, 110 points, 120 points, but you are exiting with 20 points, 15 points, 21 points. It doesn't make sense. See, that moment you might be in profit, but when the loss phase come, when the loss stage, when your setup is taking stop loss, trust me, you can go back test it. Whenever your setup takes a stop loss, it doesn't take 5 or 10 points. It will exactly take or more. Sometimes if your stop loss is 30 points, it won't take less than 30 points. It will take 30 points, 35 points, 40 points in some scenarios, right? If your setup goes wrong and you're giving the complete stop loss, and when your setup is giving a complete profit, if you're not booking it, it is useless. So this is the reason today I followed my setup. I was in profit, but I did not book it. You know why? Because I follow risk to reward, because I am 100% sure that whenever next if I get that setup, it is going to give me 100, 150, 200 points rally. Okay, at that time I'm going to capture that, that trade. It is going to be one of the best trades. So you need to work like that. So today that is what happened exactly. I did not book it early. I either gave the stop loss to the market, but this is the advantage of following a setup. Last moment when the market was closing, the setup, my setup was a strong support was there. As soon as that broke, I took the entry. This was a carry forward entry. Okay, I always follow one lot and one setup. Okay, so that was a carry forward. The reason behind the carry forward is that, let me show you the chart of the bank nifty. So guys, as you can see over here, there is a gap here which is to be filled by bank nifty. As you can see this gap, let me show you this gap. As you can see, this is going to be filled by bank nifty. It has to be filled, maybe not tomorrow, but I am expecting it to be filled by tomorrow, because see, once there was a rally, when upside rally, and then it has consolidated. If it was coming over here at this stage, let me show you that one. At this stage, let me show you. At this stage, I did not sorry, one second. Sorry guys, sorry for the interruption. See, at this stage when market came here, see, whenever there's a up rally, the next day there won't be a very huge down rally. Okay, so after that up rally, I expected a consolidation, and I was looking for a support zone. So I got this support zone. As you can see over here, I got this support zone after 1-2 days. Okay, so I think 25th there was an up rally, so I waited for 1-2 days to find a very good support zone. So after I found that, to fill that gap, it has to break that support zone. See, as soon as creating a gap up, the market the next day, it won't fill up the gap. It will go sideways. Sometimes it will go 100 points up, 200 points down, and then create a channel, and later break that channel, and then it will fill up the gap. So this is an best scenario tomorrow is going to be, I'm expecting at least 200 points gap down. So as soon as the 200 points gap down comes, I am going to exit the trade. early morning. It is like a BTST what I took now. And guys, I'll be doing only in one lot unless and until I learn a proper execution. See, even I am still a learner, and you can learn from my videos. I will be sharing my mistakes what I will do, so you can learn from it, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video tomorrow. Bye bye.